Now we'll discuss automation principles and its strategies. So there are certain fundamental principles and strategies that can be employed to improve productivity in manufacturing operations. So the approaches are A. The use, that is USA principle. Okay, different approaches are there to find out the principles. The first is use of USA principle. USA principle. We'll discuss what is USA principle. Then second is 10 strategies of automations. 10 strategies of automation. Are you able to see this presentation on screen? सगळ्यांना स्क्रीनवर दिसतं का प्रेझेंटेशन? You can answer. Okay. And third is the automation migration strategies. So we'll discuss all these things. In this video, we'll discuss first USA principle. So what is USA principle? What is USA principle? So USA principle is common sense approach to automation projects. So USA stands for understand, simplify and automate. USA stands for understand the existing process, simplify the process and automate the process. So similar procedures have been suggested in manufacturing and automation trade literature, but none has more captivating title than this one, that is USA. USA is understand, simplify and automate. Understand the existing process, simplify the process and automate the process. Understanding the existing process means what? So the first step in USA approach is to comprehend the current process in all of its details. So what are the inputs? What are the outputs? What exactly happens to the work unit between input and output? What is the function of the process? How does it add value to the product? What are the upstream and downstream operations in production sequence? And can they combine with the process under consideration? So you have to first process is to understand the existing process. Some of the basic charting tools used in methods analysis are useful in this regard, such as the operation process chart, the flow process chart. Application of this tool to the existing process provides some models of process that can be analyzed and searched for analyzing strengths and weaknesses. So the number of steps in the process, the number and placement of inspections, the number of moves, the delays experienced by the work unit, the time spent in storage can be ascertained by these charting techniques, mathematical models of process. So may also be useful to indicate relationship between input parameters and output variables. So what are the important output variables? How are these output variables affected by input to the process, such as raw material properties, process settings, operating parameters and environmental conditions. So this information may be valuable in identifying what output variables need to be measured for feedback purposes and in formulating algorithms for automatic process control. So this is what the first step of understanding the existing process. Now, second is simplify the process. Once the existing process is understood, then the search can begin for ways to simplify. So this often involves the checklist of questions about the existing processes. So this often involves checklist. Okay. So what is the purpose of this step and this transport? So is this step is necessary? So can this step be eliminated? Is the most appropriate technology being used in this step? How can this step be simplified? Are there necessary steps in the process that might be eliminated without detracting from function? So you have to simplify the process. Once first understand the existing process, then simplify this process, means remove unwanted things, replace unwanted and complicated by simple processes, appropriate technologies, okay, avoid unnecessary things, so eliminated unnecessary things. So this is what is simplifying the process. Once you complete this second step, that is simplifying the process, third step, that is automate the process. Automate the process. So once process has been reduced to its simplest form, then automation can be considered. So if you carry out this existing process understanding and simplifying the process, then the automation is easy and it saves your cost. So then automation can be considered. So the possible forms of automation includes those listed in the 10 strategies discussed. We will discuss in next session. An automation migration strategy might be implemented for new product that has not yet proven itself. Okay. So the automation process. So this is the basic step, that is applying USA principle. Understand existing process, simplify the process, and next is automate the process. So to automate the process, we have to consider different strategies. We will go with different strategies. What are these different strategies? कोणते असतात, कोणते strategy वापरतात? So there we require to apply 10 different strategies. 10 different strategies. So if automation seems a feasible solution, to improving productivity, quality and other measure of performance, then some strategies, that is 10 different strategies, provide a roadmap to search for these improvements. म्हणजे आपल्याला ऑटोमेशन इम्प्लिमेंट करायचं असेल तर ह्या 10 स्ट्रॅटेजीज आपल्याला अभ्यास करायला पाहिजेत. सो आउट ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट इज स्पेशलायझेशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन. What is this specialization of operation? The first strategy involves use special purpose equipment designed to perform one operation with the greatest possible efficiency. So this is analogous to the concept of labor specialization, which has been employed to improve labor productivity and to reduce time. Okay, the specialization of operation. Are you able to hear? आवाज येतो का माझा? Okay, these are 10 strategies. So all these strategies we will discuss in next session. Okay. Till then, thank you.